Ever wondered how many ways you can cook beans and rice? Prepare to be amazed. In the vast culinary landscape, few dishes are as versatile and universally loved as beans and rice. From the soulful kitchens of the Deep South to the vibrant streets of Latin America, every culture has its unique spin. This simple, humble dish transforms into a canvas for creativity and flavor. So buckle up, food lovers. Today we will embark on a journey through the flavorful world of beans and rice recipes. Dive right into our first set of 25 delectable beans and rice recipes. We start our culinary journey with a classic red beans and rice dish, a staple in Southern cuisine, simmered to perfection with a blend of aromatic spices. Then, we journey to the Caribbean with a Jamaican-inspired black beans and coconut rice recipe, bringing to your plates a tropical twist. Next up, we have a hearty lentils and basmati rice dish, enriched with the deep flavors of Indian spices. For our fourth dish, we take a detour to Italy with a risotto-style rice and cannellini beans recipe, creamy and comforting in every bite. Our fifth recipe is a vibrant Mexican pinto beans and rice dish, packed with zesty flavors and colorful veggies. And speaking of veggies, our sixth recipe is a vegan brown rice and chickpeas dish, proving that plant-based meals can be just as satisfying. We then head to Spain with a paella-style rice and butter beans recipe, a feast for both eyes and palate. Our eighth recipe is a Korean-inspired rice and soybeans dish, featuring the unique taste of fermented soybeans. Next, we visit the Middle East with a fragrant rice and fava beans recipe, beautifully infused with aromatic herbs. Rounding up the first half of our list is a Creole-style rice and navy beans dish, a delightful medley of flavors hailing from Louisiana. And that's just the first half. Stay tuned for even more mouth-watering recipes. Ready for the next 25 delicious recipes? Here they come. We're going to kick things off with a savory black bean and wild rice medley, followed up with a zesty pinto bean and jasmine rice fiesta. We've got red beans paired with basmati rice, cooked in a rich tomato sauce that'll make your taste buds sing. Next, we'll journey to the Mediterranean with a chickpea and brown rice dish, infused with aromatic herbs. Then we're off to Asia with a soybean and sticky rice combination that's sure to impress. We've got navy beans with long grain rice, lentils with short grain rice, and so much more. From our creamy cannellini bean and arborio rice risotto, to our spicy kidney bean and wild rice jambalaya, each recipe is a culinary adventure waiting to be discovered. So get ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into these amazing dishes. And there you have it, 50 incredible ways to cook beans and rice. But what's a main dish without its sidekick? Let's explore 20 different side dishes to complement your beans and rice. Picture a tangy coleslaw or a zesty cornbread, adding a twist to your meal. Envision sautéed greens or a spicy salsa, bringing a whole new dimension to your plate. And don't forget about the grilled vegetables or the creamy mac and cheese, each one enhancing the humble beans and rice in their unique way. Now, you have a full menu of options to take your beans and rice to new culinary heights. What a flavorful journey we've had through the world of beans and rice recipes. We've explored 50 different recipes, each with its own unique twist. From the humble simplicity of a classic dish, to the vibrant fusion of flavors in our exotic variations, beans and rice have proven their culinary versatility. We also dabbled in 20 hearty side dishes, each a perfect complement to our main star. So go ahead, channel your inner chef and start experimenting with these amazing beans and rice recipes. Bon appétit!